How to log in Bank Australia online banking account. Hey guys, welcome to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to log in Bank Australia online banking account. So let's jump to the process. First, open any web browser available on your PC. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar, then type in www.bankaust.com.au, then press on enter. With this, you will be taken to official website of Bank Australia. Now here you can see login option present at the top right. Click on login, then you will be directed to the login page. Now simply click on customer number box, then enter your customer number. After this, click on your password box and enter your correct password of your account. Now if you do not remember your password, click on click here option and continue with the process of restoring your password. After entering your login credentials, click on login. If you are logging in for the first time, you'll be prompted to change your password within 30 days. If not, then you'll be directly logged in to your account. Now you can continue with handling your transactions and managing your informations. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.